In the final days of January, I observed a male and female bluebird around a bluebird house in Orange County, New York. And this raises an annual question for me. What is a good time of year to clean out nest boxes so that they are inviting spaces for next spring's set of nest makers? In the case of partial migrants, like bluebirds, the time may vary, since some bluebirds in this part of the country may breed here, and thus they may already be selecting a nest box in the month of February and apparently maybe at the end of January. But other winter bluebirds in this area will breed farther north, and many of the bluebirds which will breed here may currently be wintering far south. Not all bluebirds are on the same schedule, but at some point between January and March, it would probably be a good idea to clean out one's bluebird houses like these at two different Audubon sanctuaries. If you clean out a bluebird house, you may notice that some are full of mice. This year, there were not as many mice living in bluebird houses as last year. And comparing two Audubon sanctuaries, one of the sanctuaries near a marsh has far more mice than another. This is a reminder that there is a whole host of variables which are affecting different wildlife species in different ways, such as a warm winter, a summer drought, the amount of rain in winter, a cold snap in winter, the abundance of predators, the comparison between a wetland habitat and a woodland habitat. And these could affect wildlife such as mice from year to year. The deer mice, which you see in this video, are the most abundant mammal of North America. With their white belly, bicolor tail, and bulging eyes, one can distinguish them from other rodents like the voles that you might see scurrying through a grassland or wetland. Deer mice often live only 1 year, and females can reproduce at 2 months of age or even earlier. Females often have 3 to 5 litters a year, with 14 being the maximum, and each litter can have up to 9 young. With such explosive potential for reproduction, they are important prey for diverse predators such as coyotes, foxes, bobcats, mink, skunks, otters, fishers, and weasels. Hawks, falcons, owls, crows, blue jays, great blue herons, ravens, and shrikes. Harmless snakes, the colubrid snakes, vipers, and such a great diversity of potential predators depend on these deer mice. Deer mice can affect humans in many ways, including consuming large numbers of seeds of weed plants and being potential vectors for diseases such as Lyme disease and hantavirus.